Well everyone, you find me at the Four Seasons in Athens, Greece. I'm here to do a little work with the Four Seasons and Porsche. That won't surprise you, two brands that I often talk about. But I wanted to kind of bring you some content because, well, what an absolutely outrageous hotel, and I'm expecting today to be quite amazing. I haven't really explored Greece actually. I've done a couple of family holidays to the kind of north part, but never this far south. I don't know what to expect, but I'm hearing great things about driving roads and scenery and exploration, and a Porsche are involved, so how bad can it be? Been pretty lucky over the years to stay at a number of Four Seasons hotels. They're often some of my favourite. The hospitality is always incredible, and the team here have welcomed me like I'm an old friend. It's quite unbelievable. But yeah, this place is just idyllic for a little Easterish getaway, mainly because this room is pretty much bigger than my house at home. Like, we got our own plunge pool, there's like 14 different rooms. Probably should have brought the baby, she would have quite enjoyed it here. There's a kids club just around the corner that's making us quite sad each time we go past it. But yeah, anyway, it's very much a travel vlog. Join me for an afternoon. I don't really know what to expect. We've got a local, well, not even a local photographer, an internationally renowned photographer, Cosmas, who's coming to help put this all together, and I'm just going with the flow and enjoying this unreal experience courtesy of Four Seasons Athens. I will be coming back to this place, firstly on a proper holiday, and secondly, if the driving this afternoon's any good, I think we need to look into doing some proper Greek exploration, eh? Anyway, coffee, and then let's go and see what the day has in store. I'm having so much fun, but if you had just arrived at the Four Seasons Athens for your nice holiday and you saw me posing out front with a 911, I think you'd turn away and leave. So I'm very grateful they've asked me to do this, but I'm like, really? Don't you want someone else? Anyway, we're now cameraing up the car, and we're going to be moving to the helipad, because that's just something you do at the Four Seasons, you just move to the helipad. So, to the helipad!
It would be amazing to do like half a donut on the helipad. Yeah, it's a 4. You cannot drive this one.
Oh, we can try.
What do you say?
I just said it actually. I just exactly
you said
said
that?
it. Like,
hello.
he's gonna ask for the donut.
It's raining. It's a little slippery. Did you make it?
I don't know. I can't see the helipad.
It's a 4, no? You tell that will be there.
Is it a 4?
No, it's a 2.
It's a 2. We're fine. We can try. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen.
Put me massive tire marks. I'm fine.
I don't know if it's going to happen.
All right, let's do the basic first.
Let's get everything else we need, and then if I crash, at least we've got the first shot. If I go off the edge, how far do I fall?
Oh, like that. You're on the hotel.
It's the roof of the hotel. You're fine.
Straight to your room.
Is it a good guest? So I played it cool with them, shitting myself. We'll be fine. Let me just drift this brand new Porsche Carrera that's not mine. I feel a little bit like I'm in a 90s or noughties music video up here. I sort of want to break into a Will Young song. Is that too niche a reference? Maybe. Anyway, I thought I'd take 2 seconds to show you the car I'm going to be using for today's adventure. This is a brand new 992.2 911 Carrera, very kindly lent to me by Porsche Greece. I don't know much about the spec. I haven't been given a spec sheet. It looks lovely. Interesting for me, because I obviously drove the Carrera T not that long ago, which is kind of like a manual version of this. I really liked it. This maybe has less driver-focused options. I don't know. Anyway, it's really nice. As we discovered just a moment ago, it is 2-wheel drive, not 4-wheel drive. We won't be doing donuts. Whilst the PR team wants to make that happen, I think somebody at higher management was like, no, which makes sense. This is an active, used helipad. If it suddenly had all different kinds of marks, maybe not so bueno. Anyway, we're going to do some more shots up here because it's outrageous, and then hit the road, I suppose. So I'm just waiting to be told what to do. It's quite weird being a model. So just stand around and people just keep saying, look left, look right. But you know, going with it. Now I'm trying to work out how to disable ADAS, but the menu is in Greek. So it's a bit of a guessing game here. I'm using my nerdy knowledge of 992s Oh God. See, now what's interesting is on the new GT3, they very cleverly put an ADAS button there so you can just disable things very quickly. Okay, lane assist, off, press twice, or hold. I'm literally, yeah, okay, lane assist is off. How do I turn off the disastrous speed limity ones? What does this all say? Oh, yeah, that looks encouraging. Just untick them all, surely. Yeah, done. Look at that. Oh, that's a lot of ADAS, isn't it? Okay, I think yes, that should stop beeping at me now. I was just asked if I like Greek music. I don't know if I like Greek music. We'll find that out later. There's no Bose or it's just standard speakers in here, but that's all right. Sunroof. Okay, I think we're ready to move out. The lads are all in the Gladiator, which looks pretty cool. I guess we're going to want to follow them, so let me back up out of the way. Oh, got a little bit of Greek butt in the shot. Did that make it into the shot? A little bit of Greek butt. That's always a nice little bonus. Yes, I'll follow you. So, Michael from the Four Seasons is at the very front in a super souped up Litchfield GI Yaris, which is pretty cool. So he's our lead car today. Then obviously we have the crew in the Jeep and then me in the 911 Carrera. They did just say, look, we're just going to have a drive now, so it's your chance to enjoy the car and the roads. Don't worry about speed limits. Apparently in Greece, speed limits are advisory, not compulsory. I'm sure that's not the case, but there definitely seems to be a very laissez-faire mentality towards driving rules. I'm going to try and be sensible, but I do know how good these cars are, so let's hope we can enjoy ourselves. Look at Michael's Yaris, that is so aggressive. Oh my God, it's a Ferrari! There's a Ferrari, people! It's a Dino, it's a GT4 Dino! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look! How do we get it? Go faster, Jeep! Tell your driver to hurry up. I want the Dino. Look at this, out of nowhere. Bit of Greek car culture. The often unloved and semi-rare Dino. GT4 Dino. I remember driving one of these once. And there's a Eurus. What is going on? Why is Athens suddenly... This is so cool. Suddenly I've just ended up in the Monaco of Greece. There was an outrageously weird moment. So yes, I don't know if that would have been a 208 or 308, 246. I get so confused by the GT4 Dino because it is unloved and overlooked. Anyway, this is absolutely glorious. We're down by some kind of marina. I am immediately loving Athens. This is the first time, I've got to be honest, the first time I've left the hotel because it's been so comfortable. There's a new Alfa Romeo Junior. Look at that. It's all kicking off. I've been so comfortable the Four Seasons, I haven't felt the need to leave, but now I kind of regret the fact I haven't because it's car capital of the world out here, my God.
Μαρίνα, θα περάσει και από εδώ τέλος πάντων και θα ξεκινήσουμε. Και να σταματήσουμε εδώ πάλι. Περιμένετε εδώ.
Okay, so if we will guide you in order because, you know,
Yeah, of course.
Greece is Greece. Okay. Θωμά, θέλω και τα δύο drone. Κατέβασε κάτω και τα δύο drone.
Για να τρακάρουμε σίγουρα.
He says Greece is Greece, and I nod yeah, Greece is Greece. What does that mean? What does Greece is Greece mean? Am I going to get arrested or murdered or cut? Greece is Greece. Cool. Anyway, what I love about Cosmos is he has such a creative brain. I can see it actually working. So he stops and you can see his little brain ticking along, and then he goes, okay, what we're going to do now is, and I'm just waiting to find out. This 911 Carrera, it's just reminded me how, and I said it before with the Carrera T, how good these base level 911s are these days. It's so usable and compliant and drivable, and I'm just here in sport, manual gear mode, it does everything you want it to do, so it's actually annoying how good these cars have gotten.
Sam, can you hear
I can hear you.
Just follow me. Only bit.
I will try to stay with you. Don't drive too fast.
Okay.
Nearly sent it up the hill at the end. Nearly sent it up the hill. I was like, whoa, wait, where am I going? I was like, where am I going?
Σε πάω μια κόντρα. Θα πάμε έτσι. Και εγώ πίσω εσύ μπροστά. Αλλά εσύ θα πηγαίνεις με Δευτέρα και εγώ με Πέμπτη.
The fifth time you lost it.
The international language of cars. Or maybe I don't know what else he could have been talking about. Who knows? Nice man.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell.
Well, we've just pulled over because that is the Temple of Poseidon. It's my first ever Greek temple, like real life. I'm seeing a Greek thing because I've only ever visited this country in the north, haven't had a chance to pull over and see anything. And I mean, there's an actual ancient Greek temple, which is pretty outstanding. Not as outstanding as this road has just been, by the way, which is clearly the driving road for Athens. We've seen an SF90 Spider, an old Morgan. I feel like lots of other cars that I can't quite remember because I was focusing on driving this, which was very good, and chasing the GR Yaris, which that was easy to keep up with. That Litchfield tuner is doing silly things to that car. But yeah, I mean, this is, if you're staying at the Four Seasons Athens, you like cars, go rent something or take the house car. Can they take the house car? They can take the house car and come and drive this road because it's pretty damn good. Thank you for all your help with this.
It was nothing, you know. I'm also like a crazy car guy, like you.
It all makes sense. I mean,
Exactly.
that
So-
road we just drove, is that the car guy road?
Yes, basically we drove at the most scenic place of Athens, the Athenian Riviera, and from the Four Seasons to here, to the Temple of Poseidon, it's the most scenic drive by the sea you can find in Athens.
Well, what a sensational place to end our drive. Sorry I didn't talk too much there, but we were filming the kind of outro for the content that Porsche and Four Seasons were making, and now we're desperately racing back to get one last kind of sunset shot. So I'm back in the car, but yeah, to have a coffee and a little sip of a beer underneath the Temple of Poseidon, pretty spectacular. That is definitely one I'm not going to forget. Yes, my friend. Let's go. I'll try and keep up.
Don't keep up with a fucking car like mine.
Not when you're driving, mate. The fact that this is on the doorstep of Four Seasons Athens is what makes it so cool. Like, genuinely, if I was staying here and if I had a cool car parked outside, I would get up and do this every morning just to blow off some steam and then head back to the hotel and dive in the pool or go to the spa. Like, what a start to the day that would be. Yeah, goodbye. Wow, what a cool thing. Anyway, final shot, and then yes, back to our glorious hotel.